Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you want to do these along with me. I do make a small commission off of any sales. Start with this middle box here. We're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. Got the 7 covering these two boxes, so 1, 5, 1, 5. That means our 7 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. 8 here, so 4, 7, 7 here, so 4, 8, and no help here, 4, 7, 8. For this top row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 2, a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 4, and a 1 here. So 4, 5, 4, 5. That means that our 1 has to be here. Finish out this column, we're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got the 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. Don't see any other help. 4, 9, 4, 9. That means the only place the 5 can be in this row is here, and that makes this our 4. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. Now when this 4 makes this our 7. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 covering here and a 2 covering here, so our 2 has to be here. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 2, 4, and 8 here, so this is our 7. No help here. 2, 4, 8. Oh, we've got a 2 and an 8 here, so this is our 4. A 2 here, so this is our 8. 2. That 4 makes this our 9. 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 5, 9. This bottom row now, we're missing a 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. To finish off this row, we're missing a 6. For this box, then, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this row, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. And for this box, then, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.